Welcome to the world of unstoppable shredders, where trees are torn apart in seconds by monstrous forestry machines. From trunks to twigs, nothing survives the jaws of these brutal chippers. Subscribe now for raw power in action. Welcome to Woodpath channel. The bright red Moorbark M20 are wood chipper roars to life at the logging yard, standing out like a steel predator amidst the natural surroundings. Its bold red paint gleams under the light, symbolizing strength and durability. Massive round logs are fed into its enfeed chute, instantly grabbed and pulled inward. The grinding drum spins up with a deep growl, tearing each log apart with ruthless efficiency. Pale wood chips blast from the discharge chute in a high-pressure stream, flying through the air and raining down into towering piles. Every motion of the machine pulses with power, relentless, precise, and unwavering. Meet the Vermeer BC 700XL, a compact but powerful wood chipper built for everyday performance. Equipped with a 25 horsepower engine and Vermeer's smart feed system, it quickly and safely processes branches up to 17 centimeters in diameter. Watch as it pulls and limbs smoothly with its vertical feed rollers and reduces brush into clean, uniform wood chips in seconds. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and built with professional-grade reliability, the BC 700XL is the perfect machine for landscapers, arborists, and tree care crews on the move. The heavy-duty machine moves in, locking onto the thick tree stump. With powerful hydraulic force, it shakes, lifts, and cleanly pulls the roots from the ground, turning a tough task into a quick, controlled operation. With a powerful twist, the machine locks onto the tree stump. Its spiral motion drills deep, tearing roots apart with each rotation. Soil erupts, nature struggles, but the grip of steel is unforgiving. The hydraulic auger spins into action, gripping the tree stump with fierce precision. As it twists deeper into the earth, roots snap like twigs. In moments, the stump is uprooted, a brutal dance of steel and torque. The Bandit SG-40 rolls into position, steady and compact. At its front, the new Revolution wheel spins rapidly, ready for action. As the wheel touches the pine stump, sharp teeth grind into the wood. Bit by bit, layer by layer, the stump disappears in a shower of sawdust. The machine moves back and forth with precision, shaving down the stubborn stump until it's completely gone. All that's left is a smooth patch of earth and a job well done. A powerful grinding machine moves steadily into position, its spinning blade whirring with mechanical precision. As it meets the stubborn tree stump, sparks flicker and wood chips fly, breaking down what remains of a once towering tree. The roar of the motor blends with the rhythm of nature, marking a quiet but determined act of renewal. Bit by bit, the old roots give way, making space for something new to grow. The giant lift machine rolls into place, its arms opening wide to embrace the towering 45-foot elm. With a firm grip, the steel clamps lock around the base. The ground trembles, then lift. The tree sways, roots crack and snap, and in one powerful motion, it's pulled clean from the earth. Precision meets raw power in a feat of modern engineering. The Dopstad DH812 is working powerfully on site, carrying out its tree chipping mission with impressive efficiency. This is a specialized forestry machine fitted with a front-mounted chipper unit, forming a mobile wood processing system. Large rotating gears at the front spin relentlessly, gripping and pulling in massive tree trunks with mechanical force. As the logs are drawn in, the internal chipping blades immediately tear them apart into countless fine wood chips. Enormous logs, seemingly unbreakable, are efficiently shredded within seconds by the synchronized power of the rotating gears and heavy-duty chipper blades. The scene is a vivid display of rugged mechanical power and modern forestry technology in action. In the heart of a bustling urban district, old roadside tree stumps cling stubbornly to the earth, obstacles to a refreshed and orderly streetscape. But modern technology is more than up to the challenge. The stump twisting machine rolls into position, its engine roaring with power. The massive steel auger begins to spin, sharp blades driving deep beneath each stubborn stump. With every forceful twist, soil breaks apart, and tangled roots are torn free and lifted to the surface. One by one, the stumps surrender, vanishing in clouds of dust. In just a few passes, sidewalks are cleared, ready for new paving, new greenery, and a revitalized urban scene. Amid the rhythm of city life, Technology brings precision and progress to the streets. In the heart of a bustling urban district, old roadside tree stumps cling stubbornly to the earth, obstacles to a refreshed and orderly streetscape. But modern technology is more than up to the challenge. The stump twisting machine rolls into position, its engine roaring with power. The massive steel auger begins to spin, sharp blades driving deep beneath each stubborn stump. With every forceful twist, soil breaks apart, and tangled roots are torn free and lifted to the surface. One by one, the stumps surrender, vanishing in clouds of dust. In just a few passes, sidewalks are cleared, ready for new paving, new greenery, and a revitalized urban scene. Amid the rhythm of city life, technology brings precision and progress to the streets. With precision and raw power, the machine grips the tree base. In just seconds, it lifts and tears the stump from the ground, fast, efficient, and impressive to watch. At CBI 6800 CT Land Clear Job 1080, the massive wood chipper roars to life, beginning its powerful operation. As the grinding mechanism spins up, large logs are fed in continuously and are pulverized in seconds. Wood chips shoot out from the discharge chute with immense force, creating a powerful stream that arcs through the air and lands in towering piles beside the machine. The scene is both intense and impressive, with the entire area vibrating to the rhythm of relentless grinding. This is the CBI 6400 CT, one of the most powerful horizontal grinders on the planet. Designed for high-volume wood processing, it can crush whole trees, stumps, logs, and even construction debris with brutal efficiency. Its massive rotor, smart feed system, and heavy-duty frame make it a true powerhouse in the field. In just seconds, the 6400 CT turns giant timber into clean, uniform mulch or wood chips. Whether you're clearing land, producing biomass, or recycling green waste, this machine gets the job done fast, clean, and without compromise. CBI 6400 CT, built to grind everything and stop for nothing. The Kesla C645S wood chipper is hard at work, fed seamlessly by the agile Kesla 305T loader. With swift and precise movements, the loader selects each log and delivers it directly into the chipper's feed chute. Inside the C645S, high-speed blades shred the timber into fine, uniform chips, which are blown forcefully into the collection bin or waiting truck. The machine runs with impressive stability, its engine hum and chip blast rhythm forming a mechanical symphony in the heart of the forest. A perfect blend of Finnish engineering, raw power, and field-proven performance.